other products I'm going to talk about a little bit is this Roche Posay Toliriani Double Repair Face Moisturizer UV Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This one is not the first time I buy it. This one I usually buy it for my girls, for my kids, because on my skin it peels off, so it doesn't work on my dry over 40 skin. So you know, this one is a very good product, but I think it's good for younger skin, because this works perfect for my kids. I buy this for everyday use for them because it has SPF 30 and it's also moisturizer, and I like the fact that it has prebiotic thermal water, and also it has ceramide 3 plus niacinamide. This one help to keep their skin healthy and good looking, and moisturizer for the whole day. So this is a really good product, but I do recommend this for younger skin and people who doesn't have dry skin, or maybe it is good for dry skin, but to me this one doesn't work. It peels off from my skin, no matter if I use it by itself or with serum, or I don't know how to use it anymore because it doesn't work for me. But I love it for my kids. I keep buying this for my kids because I like the way it works for them, and it protects them with SPF 30. So I do keep buying this, but for my kids, not for my personal use. The other products I like for my kid is this Welida Comforting Body Lotion. I think I already made a few videos talking about the Weleda products. I love these Welida products, or Welida. I don't know if it's Weleda or Welida because I love the way they smell. They smell so good, and they are really gentle and good for my kids' skin. So this is the body lotion. I also have the body oil when it's winter, or when the fall is really cold. I use it for fall and winter, and it helps them with their skin when it becomes dry. And I like that I can also use it in their entire body, face and body, and it's very moisturizing, and the smell is wonderful. I love the smell of this product. It doesn't have anything, so I can show you. It's so completely empty. I like it because it says it has extract of Calendula extract, and also has chamomile. It has geraniol. It has fragrance, but the fragrance is not a synthetic fragrance. It's natural fragrance. I think is botanical oils, or essential oils, I think. And also has chamomile, calendula, almonds, sesame seed oil. Well, all the ingredients on these products are really good and excellent. So this is not the first time. I think I've been buying this product for, I think, probably less than 10 or 10 years ago that I'm buying these products from Weleda for my since my kids were babies. I think that's it for this product. This product is another one that I keep buying over and over again. It's really good, and I do recommend it. That's it for this video. I will continue with my empties video soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.